Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a book that's a must-read for any entrepreneur or business leader looking to scale their business. Scaling Up: How a Few Companies Make It and Why the Rest Don't by Verne Harnish. If you've ever felt like your business is stuck in a rut or struggling to grow, this book is for you. Verne Harnish, the growth guy and founder of the Entrepreneurs Organization, EO, shares his proven framework for scaling your business without losing control. This isn't just a book about theory. It's a practical, step-by-step guide filled with actionable strategies, tools, and real-life examples to help you take your business to the next level. Whether you're a startup founder, a small business owner, or a CEO of a growing company, this book will give you the tools to scale your business effectively. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and let's explore the key ideas, lessons, and takeaways from this transformative book. Overview of the book. Scaling Up is divided into 4 main sections, each focusing on a different aspect of scaling a business. 1. People. Harnish emphasizes the importance of having the right people in the right seats and creating a strong leadership team. 2. Strategy. Harnish provides a framework for developing a clear and compelling strategy that aligns your team and drives growth. 3. Execution. Harnish introduces tools and techniques for executing your strategy effectively, including the Rockefeller Habits Checklist. 4. Cash. Harnish discusses the importance of managing cash flow and financials to ensure sustainable growth. Through a mix of clear explanations, practical examples, and actionable tools, Harnish provides a roadmap for scaling your business without losing control. Key themes and lessons. Let's break down the core lessons and themes from Scaling Up. These are the ideas that have made this book a go-to resource for business leaders. 1. The importance of having the right people. One of the central themes of the book is the importance of having the right people in the right seats. Harnish explains that to scale your business, you need a strong leadership team and employees who are aligned with your vision and values. Example. Harnish shares the story of a company that struggled to grow because it had the wrong people in key positions. By replacing those individuals with the right people, the company was able to achieve significant growth. The takeaway: having the right people in the right seats is essential for scaling your business. Focus on building a strong leadership team and hiring employees who align with your vision and values. 2. The role of the leadership team. Harnish emphasizes the importance of having a strong leadership team in place to drive growth. He explains that the leadership team is responsible for setting the vision, aligning the organization, and driving execution. Example. Harnish provides a detailed example of how to build a strong leadership team. The leadership team might include the CEO, COO, and other key leaders. By aligning the leadership team around the vision and creating a culture of accountability, the business can achieve its goals. The lesson: the leadership team is essential for driving growth. Build a strong leadership team to set the vision, align the organization, and drive execution. 3. The importance of a clear and compelling strategy. Harnish discusses the importance of having a clear and compelling strategy that aligns your team and drives growth. He introduces the concept of the one-page strategic plan, OPSB, which is a tool for clarifying your vision, mission, and key priorities. Example. Harnish shares the story of a company that struggled with alignment and execution. By creating a one-page strategic plan, the leadership team was able to clarify their vision, set specific goals, and create a plan to achieve them. The takeaway: a clear and compelling strategy is essential for scaling your business. Use the one-page strategic plan to align your team and focus on your key priorities. 4. The Rockefeller Habits Checklist. Harnish introduces the Rockefeller Habits Checklist, which is a set of 10 habits that are essential for scaling your business. These habits include setting priorities, meeting rhythms, and data-driven decision-making. Example. Harnish provides a detailed example of how to implement the Rockefeller Habits Checklist. Suppose a company wants to improve its execution. The leadership team might start by setting clear priorities, establishing a regular meeting rhythm, and using data to make informed decisions. The lesson: the Rockefeller Habits Checklist is a powerful tool for improving execution. Focus on implementing these habits to drive growth and achieve your goals. 5. The importance of execution. Harnish emphasizes the importance of execution in scaling your business. He explains that even the best strategy is useless without effective execution. Example: Harnish shares the story of a company that had a great strategy but struggled with execution. By implementing the Rockefeller Habits Checklist and focusing on execution, the company was able to achieve significant growth. The takeaway: execution is essential for scaling your business. Focus on implementing the Rockefeller Habits Checklist and driving execution to achieve your goals. 6. The role of cash flow management. Harnish discusses the importance of cash flow management in scaling your business. He explains that managing cash flow and financials is essential for sustainable growth. Example: Harnish shares the story of a company that struggled with cash flow management. By implementing a cash flow management system and focusing on financial discipline, the company was able to achieve sustainable growth. The lesson: cash flow management is essential for scaling your business. Focus on managing cash flow and financials to ensure sustainable growth. 7. The importance of data-driven decision-making. Harnish emphasizes the importance of data-driven decision-making in scaling your business. He explains that using data to make informed decisions is essential for driving growth and achieving your goals. Example: Harnish provides a detailed example of how to use data to make informed decisions. Suppose a company wants to improve its sales performance. The leadership team might use data to identify trends, set specific goals, and track progress. The takeaway: data-driven decision-making is essential for scaling your business. Focus on using data to make informed decisions and drive growth. 8. The role of meeting rhythms. Harnish discusses the importance of meeting rhythms in scaling your business. He explains that regular meetings are essential for alignment, communication, and execution. Example: Harnish provides a detailed example of how to establish a meeting rhythm. The leadership team might start with a daily huddle, a weekly meeting, and a quarterly planning session. By establishing a regular meeting rhythm, the team can stay aligned and focused on their goals. The lesson: meeting rhythms are essential for scaling your business. Focus on establishing a regular meeting rhythm to improve alignment, communication, and execution. 9. The importance of accountability. Harnish emphasizes the importance of accountability in scaling your business. He explains that creating a culture of accountability is essential for driving execution and achieving your goals. Example: Harnish shares the story of a company that struggled with accountability. By implementing a system of accountability and focusing on results, the company was able to improve execution and achieve its goals. The takeaway: accountability is essential for scaling your business. Focus on creating a culture of accountability to drive execution and achieve your goals. 10. The role of continuous improvement. Harnish emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement in scaling your business. He explains that to achieve long-term success, you need to constantly strive to improve your business. Example: Harnish shares the story of a company that implemented a culture of continuous improvement. By constantly striving to improve, the company was able to achieve long-term success. The takeaway: continuous improvement is essential for scaling your business. Focus on constantly striving to improve your business to achieve long-term success. Actionable takeaways. Now that we've covered the key lessons, let's talk about how you can apply these principles in your own business. Here are some actionable steps inspired by scaling up. 1. Focus on having the right people. Ensure you have the right people in the right seats. Build a strong leadership team and hire employees who align with your vision and values. 2. Develop a clear and compelling strategy. Use the one-page strategic plan to clarify your vision, mission, and key priorities. Align your team around your strategy. 3. Implement the Rockefeller Habits Checklist. Focus on implementing the 10 Rockefeller habits to improve execution and drive growth. 4. Focus on execution. Execution is essential for scaling your business. Focus on implementing the Rockefeller Habits Checklist and driving execution to achieve your goals. 5. Manage cash flow. Focus on managing cash flow and financials to ensure sustainable growth. Implement a cash flow management system and focus on financial discipline. 6. Use data-driven decision-making. Use data to make informed decisions and drive growth. Focus on identifying trends, setting specific goals, and tracking progress. 7. Establish meeting rhythms. Establish a regular meeting rhythm to improve alignment, communication, and execution. Start with a daily huddle, a weekly meeting, and a quarterly planning session. 8. Create a culture of accountability. Focus on creating a culture of accountability to drive execution and achieve your goals. Implement a system of accountability and focus on results. 9. Focus on continuous improvement. Constantly strive to improve your business. Focus on continuous improvement to achieve long-term success. 10. Take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, learn as you go, and take consistent action toward your goals. Criticisms and controversies. While Scaling Up has been widely praised for its practical advice and actionable systems, it's not without its critics. Some argue that the book's focus on systems and processes may lead to a lack of creativity and flexibility. Others believe that the book's emphasis on scaling may not be applicable to all types of businesses, particularly those that rely heavily on the owner's personal touch. However, the book's strength lies in its ability to provide a clear, actionable roadmap for scaling your business. Even if not every principle is applicable to every business, the core ideas of having the right people, a clear strategy, and effective execution are valuable for any business leader. Conclusion: Scaling Up is a must-read for any entrepreneur or business leader looking to scale their business without losing control. Verne Harnish's proven framework, practical tools, and actionable advice make this book an invaluable resource for achieving sustainable growth. Whether you're a startup founder, a small business owner, or a CEO of a growing company, this book will give you the tools to scale your business effectively. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more book summaries and personal finance tips. Let me know in the comments what your biggest takeaway from Scaling Up is, or if there's another book you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.